Hi everybody, this is Pam with Jesus Junk Journals, and before we get started on this video, I just wanted to say thank you to everybody that has subscribed on YouTube. I am kind of sneaking up on 300 subscribers, and I want to do some sort of giveaway. I have to find out how to do that, but anyway, if you haven't subscribed yet, you might want to go ahead and subscribe, because I'm going to do a giveaway for something wonderful when I hit 300. So there's that. And then today I'm going to do a video on some more of the Encourage mini journal. I will be showing you the glue-in flap with the pockets, folio that's in the kit, and why I put it in, how I plan to use it, and I guess that's it. So come on with me. Hi everybody, this is Pam with Jesus Junk Journals, and I was going to talk about this piece that I made in the kit. Here's the page, and so this is the add-on flap that you'll glue, and this is the pocket. So I cut them out, and so here it is after you cut it out with the flap. I went ahead and folded it. And then the pocket, which is this piece right here, is made so that like you'll glue it to a page. Let's see, let me pull a page over here. I've been cutting these kits out. So here's one of the pages. And so I'll fold it in half, and that'll be a 2-page spread from the journal, right? So there it is folded. This is my jelly printing that I did on the white side of the paper. Anyway, so I'll take this and I'll choose whatever page I want to add it to, and I will put glue along this, glue it here, and then it will open up. And here is this pocket. And my intention is I'm going to stitch it, and I'm going to stitch it in the middle, or you could glue it in the middle if you want 2 pockets. If you want one big pocket, you can just glue it along the edges. But that is, and this is also from the jelly printing. So that is what that looks like. And so I'm going to go ahead and ink it. Which I could have done, I guess, beforehand, but did not do it. And should have inked the pocket before I glued it on, but as usual, I didn't do that either. So, and then I am going to, I haven't decided on this because I really like the jelly printing that I did. But it's kind of loud, and it kind of doesn't go with the pocket. So I'm thinking about putting some white gesso over that, or some decoupage to kind of quiet that down, but that's my problem. And so I wanted to also mention, I don't know how you all are doing it, but here's the thing. I've got 9 sets of these prints, as I've mentioned before. So what I'm making myself do is cut them all out. And so here are some of them. Cut out the pages. And then some of them, I don't have enough plastic tubs to do all 9 of them this way, but I have probably 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different plastic containers, and I'm putting all the pieces for each individual journal into its own container, so I keep them together. So like here's the box fold that we did the other day. Here are the pages for this journal cut out, and this has the, let's see, that's the 4, I think that was the, no, this is the This is this, I think. No, it's got rounded corners. See, this is why I'm putting it in plastic tubs. Anyway, I'm trying to keep the pieces and parts separated. With the exception of these little projects, like this little folio and the 4-pocket, that box fold that we did. I did all of those at the same time because it's all the same thing and it's just easier to do 9 of them at once. But the rest of these, I'm dividing them up and putting them with each individual journal. So I just wanted to tell you that kind of as a housekeeping thing. I'm not sure how you're keeping yours straight, but the other thing I was going to mention is as I'm cutting these up, and I kind of knew this would happen, but it was so much fun, I did it anyway. So for instance, here's the set. So I did the jelly printing, and what happened is because the jelly print is an 8 by 10, the paper was, 8.5 by 11. I got this white edge showing on a lot of these, most of these. And so I think what I'm going to do is go back over. Now, I think there's several things you could do. You could do decoupage with napkins and kind of cover the edges. You could check them. Some of them, like here's your page. If the white edge is on the bottom, you might not care because you might be putting a pocket on the bottom. That would be one solution. But you could decoupage napkins, or you could put, you could do any kind of collage work on it. But I think that what I'm going to try to do, because I love that jelly printing so much, is I think I'm going to go back over there and just kind of do some spot jelly printing and just fill in the white with paint and just kind of do some jelly print on the edges. So I will probably do a video showing that, just in case you did do the jelly printing with me. I might just do a demo on that. And I have quite a few to do it on, so it's worth the time to do it, to set up and do it. And so I think that's it on this one. I'm gonna take this over to the sewing machine and stitch the pocket. And that's the end of that. And then the other thing, let's see. I think that was it, I guess. Oh, I know what the other thing was I was going to mention. So these are journals. You're going to give them to people. And so my kit came with basically 8 double pages. So when you fold them in half, you'll have, let's see, 16, it'll be 32 pages front and back. And so you're going to want writing space. And so I think I'm going to include 2 blank writing pages that have lines for writing, kind of broken up in the journal. So there'll be, a double page of that and a double page of that. It'll give them, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 pages of journaling. Is that right? Yes, 8 pages of journaling, blank space for them to write in the journal. And then we can add more as we go along. But I just thought I would mention that will be a total of 8 pages, like these double pages. There'll be 8 of these that you're folding in half and making one signature with. That's my plan. So I think that was it for today, for this little short video. And then I will go back, and for the next one, I will do the filling in with the jelly plate. Okay, I thought I would come back and show you the ones I stitched. Here are 4 of them and inked. And so the stitching, it does, you could use black thread if you want it to stand out more. But this is what they look like. And then the little cards will go. Let's see, do I have one to stick in there to show you? So I can put one on this side and one on the other side. And you'll glue it in like this. Open it up and there will be 2 cards. Or if you choose, you just want one big pocket, you could just stitch around and put a bigger card in there. So anyway, just thought I'd do that real quick and show you what happened after I stitched it. And I will see you next time. If you like the video, hit the like button, please. And think about subscribing. I'm going to have a giveaway as soon as I hit 300 subscribers. So anyway, see you next time.